firing up the extra camera today for front shots, etc. All right, we should be going live now. Hopefully we won't run into any technical difficulties, but I am running all the extra cameras today. Here we go. All right.
Facebook is up.
Thank you.
Twitch is up.
Thank you. Here we go.
YouTube's up.
Thank you.
TikTok is up.
Thank you.
Amen.
Just setting up all my chat windows is the first thing I have to do after I get all the lives. Bear with me while I set all of these up. That way I can keep an eye on everybody's conversations and if anybody has questions, etc. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for joining. As you come in, do me a favor, double tap those screens, click that like. If you really want to be a hero, a genuine hero, make sure you click that share button. Subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Don't forget, if you're watching over on Twitch, you guys can use your free Amazon Prime subscription. If you feel so inclined, I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. All the little things that we do, liking, sharing, commenting, that all helps the algorithm. So thank you guys for doing your part. Here on this beautiful October the 29th at 9:06. Couple of runners before I get going this morning. Keep an eye on DJT. That's been popping off. DJT. We've already posted our hot stock picks. Hot stock picks have been posted. I'm going to give you a couple, though, that I want you guys to keep an eye on today. It does not mean it's going to continue to run up. If you don't understand how to trade in the pre-market, do not. If you're new to trading, don't use real money. Again, if you don't know how to handle some of these volatile stocks, you need to be training and not trading. All right. We like to use the, now obviously there's a lot of free scanner tools. There's also some paid scanner tools out there. If you're using Webull, if you go to Tops, it's one of the widgets that says top gainers, top losers. Go to the pre-market, which is where we're at now. Make sure you have it set to sorting by the change percentage, and you'll be able to see some of these run all the time. I also have a permanent watch list up. If you look on the left-hand side of my screen, I've always got a watch list over here running on some of the hotter stocks or things that I want to keep an eye on. These will come and go as I see different things happening. Like you can see Blue Apron here. That's been delisted. I don't need that in here anymore. So as as they will come and go, I will update them. Yesterday, if you remember, in the pre-market and at the open, I told you guys to keep an eye on crypto because Bitcoin was running. I specifically stated for you to watch Mara, Riot, MSTR, and Coin. All of those ran. Mara ran up 11% yesterday. MSTR ran up 9% yesterday. Coin ran up 5.4% yesterday. So, and Riot ran up 9.5% yesterday. So if you were watching our show, our live show, and are a part of our paid premium membership, you had that news first. Okay. I saw Bitcoin hit, what was it, 71K yesterday. Not sure where it's at exactly right now. But definitely want to keep an eye on those. Make sure, as always, too, before we get this party started, a couple of quick professional tips for you. Make sure you guys have the pre-market high on your chart, pre-market low on your chart, as I'm doing now, previous day high on your chart, and previous day low on your chart. These will also be key critical areas that we use to go along with VWAP, the 200 MA, etc. Some of the other ways that you can do it that I like to do is you guys can color code these, right? So this will mean I would want to go long. This would mean I would want to go short. You can also put text on your screen if you want. Just right click on your screen, go over to drawings, scroll down to text, and you could put pre-market high, etc. Put that on here on your screen just so you guys can keep an eye on it later. It'll help you out. So right there, you can see that would be pre-market high. Obviously, if this changes, you can change them. Just giving you some quick professional tips. You could have pre-market low. There you go. So you can mark them out just like that. That way, later on throughout the day, when you're looking at those, it will make sense. Instead of having 8 million lines all over your screen, you'll know what the hell you're looking at, right? So same thing over here. I'll just finish drawing it out since we have a little bit of time. This will be previous day high. You can see I've got it posted right here. That way, if it comes up to that spot later, I'll know. And then same thing again. If I wanted to, I could post this right here. Previous day low.
Hey,
Coach, does previous day high include the pre-market?
Usually it does not, but it can. It really is up to you. But typically, I will go by what's happened in the chart. Now, here's the thing though, right? If it breaks my chart high and then gets up into that pre-market high, I'm obviously already going to go there, right? Because I have to use the data, the most current data. So if it makes sense and it's there, then I use it. Make sense?
Thank you, Coach.
Yep.
Hey,
So-
Coach, Bitcoin is up $71,066.
There you go. 71,000 on Bitcoin, continuing to run. So right here, so you guys, so this is just a little quick pro tip. Obviously, if this changes, you can change it because we still have 20 minutes, right? If this moves in the pre-market, I can obviously move everything that I have on here, but just a quick way, this is the way that I like to set it up. So those of you that are new, choose a couple of stocks that you love. SPY, Apple, Tesla, Ford, whatever you want to trade for the day, do these exact things. And then the chart will start to develop as it goes. But these will be key critical areas. If you're part of our paid membership, we also have the pre-market set up. This will give us very strategic levels, not just pre-market high, pre-market low. By the way, those are not key 100% accurate areas that we'll use right out of the gate. There are areas that are closer to what we are, and that's what we set up for the pre-market. In that pre-market setup for paid members. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Ange, and Aaron. Don't forget, we have a live show every day from 9 to 11 with me. My name is Chad, by the way, aka The Coach. I've been a stock market trader for over 30 years. I have professionally now helped and trained over 1 million people through this live broadcast we've been doing for 2 months or 2 years and now 3 months. So thank you all for being here. We also have a live training and trading for futures only every single day, starting at 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Angie will be over there hosting that. Once you get done with that, we also have a free live on YouTube aftermarket that is hosted by Dawn and some other moderators that pop in and out of there. So every day we have 3 live free shows for you guys to get training and education. Right? We pride ourselves on the fact that we have more free training and education than any company in the history of stock market training. We're also one of the top rated sales service for stock market education in the country. So thank you to all of you. We've done 0 marketing, by the way, 0 marketing, and we're still top ranked. That's because of all of you. So do me a favor. If you guys like what you see and it makes sense and it's working, do me a favor. Share it out with other people. Click that share button. Tell people about American Dream Trading, right? That is our goal. That is our vision, to help as many people as we can every single day. So I appreciate all of you for being here. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
Thank you, brother. Be safe out there. Appreciate you.
Always thanks.
So real quick, twice a day, always at the beginning and the end, I always like to introduce our new services so you guys know. So if you guys want to get a cup of coffee and you've heard me before, let me use my 6 minutes of time where I get paid to make sure all of you are in these seats so I can train you. Excuse me. Because without talking about our products and services, none of you would be here. So again, thank all of you. Let me share up on my screen what we have. Here we go. So if you guys are interested at any time in joining us, all you need to do is go to americandreamtrading.com and get signed up. We have a free Discord. We also have a trial if you guys want to try us out. There you go. It should be posted across the screen. You can see we've got a 7-day trial. Otherwise, you can get the regular premium membership, which is $200 a month. With that premium membership, you get access to our premium area and Discord. You'll start getting training every day at market open to market close. You're going to get the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and all the videos on demand to get you kick-started. Right now, there's 350. Typically, we have around 350 up to about 650 people in this class every day. We do have a full open microphone. We are still the only trainer that I know of that has a live open microphone where you can ask questions from all day long, depending on which premium membership you have. Depending on what time starts, you get to start asking these questions and having the Zoom rooms open. We are still the only ones that do this. We also have a VIP membership where you'll get daily masterclass training with me starting at 8 o'clock. You'll get early pre-market access to Zoom and work with some of our self-made millionaires and moderators at 4 a.m. So that is 12 hours of training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You guys will also get VIP lounge access. All the workshop classes free, and all the previous workshop classes you'll gain access to. The VIP training videos, we have over 50 VIP training videos. The Trading View indicators, that is an overlay of my 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from over 3 decades of being in the stock market. I am the only one who has ever used this in this fashion, and we have back tested this for years. You guys can check that out. All it requires is a subscription to TradingView, which is about $15 a month. And of course, you get everything that you had in the premium. If you are a VIP member, if and only if, then you can upgrade to VIP Gold. With the VIP Gold, you're going to get all the mastermind classes for free. Those are $200 to $250 classes, by the way, free. 1 hour of tech support. We can remote in and help you get started, get all your charts set up. It's not a one-on-one. It's just to get you started if you need that support. Open up a help desk ticket. We'll try to help you through that first, obviously. You'll get VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. All of the news service we've been posting daily and outlook for the week. So you guys are ahead of the curve. We have the best news service, I believe, anywhere in the world. Thank you, Mark. Nice job. All of the Zoom recordings, the Zoom recaps, everything is recorded. You guys can find those in the replay if you are a gold member. Also, if you're a gold member, you guys will get the live Apple chat. So if you guys have wanted to see how a real live trade works with Apple using the 2-minute EWO, David is over there training on that every day. I think David is now on his, I want to say his 7th or 8th week somewhere, 7 something. But he's showing you how to do that every day. By the way, David has been green every single day, and I don't think he's had a day that he's made under $1,000 inside of that Apple chat room. It's usually $1,000 to about $2,500 using a small cash account, not a margin account. He's using a small cash account just like you guys would, right? But he's showing you how to do it live every day. He's back tested it and he's ran it. He's made over $270,000 in profits in the last 2 years just using that strategy and is fully retired. Nice job. Eric, of course, and some of our other moderators will be standing by. They are always helping in there. So if you guys see any of that, they're always working. That's with the gold. Excuse me, with the VIP gold add-on. With that, we also have weekend. That weekend training, by the way, is every Saturday, and it's recorded at 11 o'clock. So again, if you guys are interested in signing up for anything that we have, head over AmericanDreamTrading.com. Right now, too, we also train with stocks, options, and now our new futures. So make sure you guys check that out. We are running a sale right now on futures. You can get a lifetime futures membership, $2,500. Or if you guys buy a 6-month VIP or futures, you'll get one or the other one 6 months for free. So make sure you guys check that out. That's one hell of a deal, by the way. Or the other sale we have right now, if you buy 6 months of VIP, we will give you the VIP Gold add-on for the first 6 months for free. Then after, of course, the 6 months with all of those, they'll just both renew at the regular rate of $1,500 each. So you're getting a $3,000 value for $1,500 to get you kick-started. John, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, Coach, I'd like to have your insights on what the hell's going on with Ford. I'm aware of the news, positive and negative, but yeah, it's been wild.
Not sure right now, partner, but we will look at it this afternoon. Just remind me.
You say Ford?
Yeah, Ford.
Earnings.
Yeah, earnings. Yep, there you go.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning. Okay, so speaking of earnings, now that we've got all of my marketing out of the way, if you guys are a paid member, if you guys go over, we have an earnings channel. I want everybody to go look at it right now. Yeah, Ford had earnings on Monday after hours. So speaking of earnings, a lot of big earnings. I told you guys a couple months ago, but then a couple weeks ago, again, I told you we're leading up into big earnings. We are here. SoFi had big earnings. They beat this morning. So SoFi had a nice pop. I want you guys this afternoon, you should be watching AMD and Reddit. Watch both of those. Tomorrow morning, I would be watching Lilly. Tomorrow afternoon, after hours, Microsoft, Meta, Coin, Robinhood, Roku, Carvana, and Starbucks. Those are all huge. Tomorrow afternoon. Don't worry if you forget. It's all over here in the paid members area. The channel is earnings. Thursday, some of the key ones I'd be watching for on Thursday. Uber in the pre-market. Peloton, pre-market, so before the open. Thursday afternoon, Amazon, Intel, Apple. Those are the major key players. Friday, just some smaller ones like Fubo. We watch that all the time. Exxon, Dominion, so some other ones. But those are the big key ones that we're going to be watching for this week. Now, as you guys know, for earnings, one possible trade that you could make that I like to make through earnings is a straddle and or strangle. If you don't know what that is, I have tons of videos or ask later in the day. But those are one good strategy that you guys could be using. Couple rules that we live by. Make sure that if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you are paper trading, simulate trading only. Do not use real money while you are training, please. If you guys are going to trade, make sure you know all the rules for what type of strategy you're going to use, right? We've got intraday, swing trading, scalping, long-term investments, dividends, high yields. There's all sorts of things. So make sure you guys understand what each rule is for each different strategy. 2-minute EWO, every one of these strategies has different rules that we use. Make sure you never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days, go ahead and stop trading for the next 2 to 4 weeks. Take some time off. Go back to one of our other rules, which is journal. Journal. Make sure you're writing down exactly what's going on. More of the psychology, right? All I talk about in this room is the psychology of trading. It will help in every aspect, not only trading, but in your own life, right? Get that millionaire mindset. The stock market will test you in ways you have never been tested before. Seriously, right? Financially, spiritually, physically, right? If you're sitting in a seat too damn long, right? So I need everybody to stay focused, right? It's all about health and wealth. And that's a huge part of it, is the psychology of it. So please, please, please keep an eye on both of those, right? Keep your minds right. If you guys are struggling at home, you're having a bad day, probably a good idea to go ahead and set that day out in the market, right? Because your mind might not be right. When you come in this room, I want you laser focused. We can have fun, we can laugh, we can make jokes and do all the things, right? Just like when you're at work, you can laugh, you can joke around, you can have fun, but you need to be taking care of business at the same time. If all it is laughing and joking and having fun and you ain't doing anything, just like your job, you're not going to have a job very long, right? So I need you to be able to balance both. I need you to be able to be laser focused and have some fun. So what you're going to find out real quick from us is this is not another boring, dry room or everybody just sitting there. We don't do that in here. We like to have fun. We like to, make some jokes. Don't freak out. Don't panic. We're all adults in here. You'll be all right. Try not to get butt hurt. Sometimes people will say things you don't want them to say. We're live every day. It's just the way it is. So everybody be cool. We try to watch some of the buzzwords. We try to keep the political stuff down to a very minimum, right? We try to watch some of that stuff. Sometimes it comes out. Sometimes we talk about it, and sometimes we don't. Nobody freak out. Nobody panic. Put your little pitchforks away. You'll be all right. All you internet keyboard warriors, come out. You'll be all right. This isn't 1990. You're not brand new to AOL. Calm the hell down. You'll be fine. But it is 9:27. We got about 2.5 minutes to the bell. Nobody go rogue today. Follow all of those rules. And remember, here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and everybody else associated with us, none of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss will be only for training and education purposes. If you see or hear any of us making trades, that is not for you to mirror or mimic, including our live Apple chat. That is just so you can watch how we are doing it. Gypsy says, I'm feeling a bit triggered now. Take it easy. You'll be all right. I love your face. Anyways, do not mirror or mimic any trades that you see or hear. Okay. Now, in the first 30 minutes, we will be calling out stocks. That is just the busiest time of the market, right? That's why I tell you in the first 30 minutes, for your new trader, don't trade it. So don't freak out. This is not a call out room, but in the first 30 minutes, as we're seeing things, we do call them out. But I also give you key critical areas and different trading ideas that you could use or not use. It's completely up to you, right? But I'm telling you right now, so the first 30 minutes will be a little more busy, a little more hectic. Right now, we have over 430 people live in our room. After 10 o'clock, you can raise your hands, you can ask questions, you can do all the things. If you have an emergency, obviously, if you're a paid member and you have an emergency, because we'll be able to see it right away, either open your mic and say, Coach, I have an emergency. Everybody will go silent. We'll shut this whole show down. We'll take care of you. But I'm telling you right now, don't get into a trade if you don't understand your mechanics. Don't get into a trade if you don't have a backup system. Don't get into a trade if you don't know how to trade on multiple devices and or operating systems. I need you guys to understand the mechanics. All of those mechanics training is what you should be learning while you are training. I would go as far as say this. I wouldn't use real money, honestly, for the first 3 months to up to a year. Seriously, I would just be in this room getting as much training and information as I can before I use real money. Please don't come in and go rogue. This is not a casino. This is not a get rich quick. This will test you. So love your faces. Here we go. Let's have an amazing day. And nobody, I swear, nobody go rogue. Let's rock and roll. All right, I'm watching Apple to the upside. It did exactly what it did yesterday. So Apple's starting to pop here at the open. Just be cautious. Now, if you're right, if you guys are looking at getting into that 2-minute EWO, if you're in a live Apple chat, you guys will get a better feel for what's going on because you're literally getting a play-by-play of that. But otherwise, wait that first 2 to 4 minutes for those indicators to show us what it wants to do. Nobody get in there right away and get your face ripped off. Let it start to show us what it wants to do, okay? I'm telling you, you guys will get in there early. The thing will pull a rug on you, and then you'll be stuck in a trade that you should not be in. SPY here already pulling back. SPY already here at our pre-market low, starting to dump below our pre-market low that we had marked, that I walked all of you through how to mark. Let's see, ES Futures, same thing. ES Futures taking a big dump over here if you guys are trading futures. Q's pulling back, SPY's pulling back. SPY a big flush here. ES continue also to pull. SPY big pullback here. Looking for support around 579 on SPY. See if this can hold or not. SPY big sell-off here at the open. Watching to see if around 575 is going to, or 579 is going to be support. Looks like it's bouncing here. Doesn't mean it's going to find that hard support. Let me pull back in time. Yeah, it's really close. 578.90 and this 579. Right there's all your key areas. So this should be, oops, I just moved that. Yep, that should be really close to support here, 579. You can see every key level is already marked for SPY. ES Futures, same thing, looking for support around 58.44. Apple did pull back. That's why I said be cautious, right? If I'm doing the 2-minute EWO, just so you guys know, this is me personally. I'm not sure how David or Eric or anybody else is doing it, but I typically will wait for that second bar. Now, I don't need the second bar to fully form, but I always want to wait for that second 2-minute bar, the indicator, and of course the candle to make sure it's telling me, right, that it's going to continue to climb. It's 9:32, right? So all we've gotten so far is one candle, and the other candle was lower than that. So if that other candle is already lower than the previous candle, I don't want to go long with that, right? It's not time. So make sure you guys keep an eye on all of that.
Coach,
Go ahead, quick.
previously hashtag pick Lucy, it's halted up.
Thank you, Lucy, to the upside. Thank you. We saw Lucy this morning. Nice job on that. Good call out. SPY continuing to pull. I've got every market leveled on here. 579, 579.90, 578.80. And of course, will take us to 578.50. SPY continuing to pull.
Amazon testing pre-market low.
Thank you. Amazon to the downside, testing pre-market low. ES Futures also to the downside.
Lily, QI LLY.
Thank you. Q's also pulling hard here.
Lucy is on the hot stock picks this morning.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and it's halted down. Be careful. I was wrong.
Thank you. Hot
Nvidia
stock
first
pick,
ready
Lucy.
WO.
Thank you. Sorry. Go ahead again.
Nvidia first ready WO.
Thank you. NVIDIA first red 2-minute EWO. Thank you. Great call out. BKYI hot stock pick. BKYI starting to get some volume. Watch the double top at $1.77, moving up to $1.80. Has to stay up there. Now it's pulling back. Don't touch that until that breaks that double top 177. Thank you.
Nate's favorite girlfriend, Lucy. No, hey, Nate. Hot stock VCIG and hot stock SH.
SHPH are both moving up.
Thank you. VCIG, hot stock pick, moving up. SHPH, starting to get a pop here. SHPH, wait till that breaks that 200 if you guys are looking at that. So around 217.4 is what I've got marked. That'll break VWAP. That'll also break the 200.
Amazon first 2-minute EWO down.
Thank you. Yep, Amazon double bottom at 187.90 here. Breaks through that. Possible good trade. Obviously, it would be puts to the downside, but watch this. This is a double bottom pre-market low at 187.89, 87, I should say. Do you guys see how that bounced right at that level? But I already told you guys what to set up for at each stock that you guys are watching and how to do it, right? You already knew that. That was your pre-market low that you had charted out, yes? Good. Very good. ES continuing to pull futures to the downside, SPY to the downside. SPY next critical level, 578.53. I had 50. Remember I said 578.50 will be the next mark. It's moving there now. Apple still below VWAP, not really doing anything yet. This is exactly why I told you guys, though, right? Wait patiently. Wait for the setup. Amazon found support right where we saw it was going to. Pre-market low here, 187.88. Got a bounce. Doesn't mean it's not going to rip through that later, but we did see where that was going to be support. SPY found support at 578.50 and bounced. Still to the downside. Still potential
SHPH.
loss. Go ahead.
All right. Hot stock SHPH broke 200. It's taking off.
Thank you. It needs to
Of
break
course,
and
it
hold.
pulls right back. Jeez.
Yeah, I know. Wait for a break and hold, partner. Wait for a break and hold, but I hear you.
DJT halted upside.
Which one?
Trump.
DJT.
DJT. Thank you. DJT halted to the upside. Nice. Thank you. We're keeping an eye on that one this morning. Hot stock pick. DJT has halted to the upside. On halt time for DJT will be 9:41.40. 9:41.40. Thank you.
Wonder why that halted.
Must have ran up hard, right? Did it?
Yeah,
Yeah, the percentage went up too fast.
Yep. It goes by percentage. Typically, it's around 5% within an X window, and it'll shut it down.
But I never heard of DJT halted.
It's because the volume that came in. If you look at DJT, it's 20% in the last 2 days, right? That's a lot of volume. So,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
yeah. If only somebody a year ago would have told you guys to keep an eye on DJT all the way through to November, right? Right.
It was me.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
me.
Nice job. Here we go. Apple starting to get some volume here. Slowly stair stepping up. SPY, be careful, SPY.
moving up.
SPY right here again, 578.50. 578.50. Watching that critical area. BKYI has to stay above $1.50. It must stay above $1.50 or you're going to get a flush on that. Be careful. Apple starting to move its way up. VCIG continuing to make new highs. VCIG.
Coach, SMCI making new highs.
Thank you. SMCI making new highs. By
Recording
the way.
in progress.
Oh, thank you. Am I not recording locally?
I didn't see it, Coach, but just in case.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you.
All right, I didn't catch it sooner.
Yep. Nope. Thank you. That's because I turned the camera on. I add one and forget the other, right? The 80-point checklist. SMCI continue to climb. By the way, if you guys are paid members, you guys get all these hot stock picks. All these hot stock picks before the market even opens. We're already all over these, right? Here we go. BKYI. I'm watching this. As long as it stays above $1.50, it's respecting that VWAP area. Just make sure if you guys are in these super ultra volatile stocks, you guys have those stops in, okay? Sorry, go ahead.
SoFi down 11% and still falling.
Thank you. SoFi continuing to crash. Everybody made their money in the pre-market on that, right? Okay, good. I know a lot of people made tons of money on SoFi this morning in the pre-market.
Yes, sir.
Dino.
Amazon retesting double bottom again.
Thank you. One of our VIP members, Dino, made $3,775 on SoFi in the pre-market. Nice job.
Thank you, Coach.
Good job. Proud of you. Looking real nice. Real nice over there, champ.
NVIDIA double bottom.
Thank you. 1 minute, 30 seconds on halt DJT. Moderna, mRNA making new highs, continuing to climb.
Coach, there goes BKYI, hot stock pick.
There it is, BKYI. Like I said, I like it here, respecting VWAP, getting a nice pop. Get ready for a halt on BKYI, unless it just happened. There you go, boom.
Yes, you bet your ass, Chief.
Didn't I literally just say I love it, respecting VWAP right there? Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, I loved it, respecting VWAP here and staying up and above $1.50. Congratulations, all of you. 150% move. Do you guys remember me talking about that this morning, that BKYI? Yeah, baby. SPY did find that hard bounce at 578.50 for support. Apple bottom gang, you guys are slowly but surely climbing the 9. Look at this thing. Stair stepping up. Trying to break VWAP here. DJT should be on halting in 10 seconds. DJT, watch for an unhalt. 10 seconds. Just be careful. You got the 200 MA coming up. The whole world will be watching it. It's live. It pulled back 12%. Here we go. Keep an eye. There it goes. Big flush. Big flush. You get a flush like that. That's a 1 minute candle rule. When you get a flush like that, just be careful. I could halt to the downside.
Oh my God.
Make sure you guys have your stops in place.
It's the first stop.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead, partner. It looks like I halted to the downside. Nice, nice. There goes Apple. Apple now above VWAP on the 2 minute. And now you guys are clear for takeoff. See how you're beyond the previous body of the first 2 minute candle? There goes SPY. We called that bounce 578.50. It respected that for support. DJT pulled back that extra 5%. Halted to the downside this time. SPY trying to make a move here. Needs to break VWAP before we're going to get any more clearance to the upside. It's halting on such a small move because it's a 5% trigger within X amount of time.
Tesla's nosediving downside.
Tesla's going to the downside right now. Okay, thank you.
On hold time for hot stock peak BKYI, it's 9:45.35, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, let's see right here. If a sudden move of more than 5% that lasts more than 15 seconds, 15 seconds.
50 suckers, baby.
Yeah, 15 suckers every minute. Then that's the 5 minute halt. That's for the S&P and Russell. Other stocks priced above $3 is a sudden price movement of more than 10%. Stocks priced, so micro stocks, penny stocks, 0.75 to $3 is a 20% move. Suddenly will trigger that halt. Okay. So there you go. SPY now above VWAP. Apple 2 minute EWO gang. You guys obviously have clear skies. You guys are now in a 6-star trade.
In it, coach.
Thank you. Anybody catch that SPY bounce down there at 578.50?
Yes, I did. Listening to your voice, 20%.
Oh, beautiful
I
job.
did.
Yes.
Coach, we don't see your beautiful face. We see a watermark.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I had no idea video was not turned on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Gosh, Coach, I make so much more percentage on my whole account just listening to you. Imagine that.
Listening to the sound of my voice. Good job, JP. SPY now above VWAP, looking good. So Apple, did anybody try to get in on that first 2-minute candle and then it pulled back and you all went into panic mode? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm
Hey,
not
show
sure.
me
I was
because we
there.
were telling them to wait in the chat. We told them to
Yes.
wait.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You gotta wait.
Just
You know,
just that little bit, right? At least see what the second candle's going to do versus, so even if you wait the first 2 minute, right? Because then we can see what the second candle's going to do. And clearly, if you look at this, let me pull this up on the big screen. So even if you wait that 2 minutes, right? Even if you're like greedy and you want to get in early, just wait this thing out. This was the very first candle here. Let me draw this out.
Coach, your hot stock pick has BKYI.
Sorry, thank you. So right here, this first candle, right? This is the second candle. This is not larger than the first candle, right? We want this candle to be up here above this previous body or the previous wick. If it's not, it's clearly not where you want to enter, right? Had this then made a second move up here and it started this candle, then I would look at it. And then it would still be risky because you have not waited, right, for the second 2-minute EWO indicator to clearly define what it's going to do. Because technically, if you waited for two minutes indicators, that is 4 minutes, right? That would mean you got in on the third one, or you wait to get in on the second one, the second it is higher on the indicator than the first one, right? But if you guys are jumping in on the first 2 minutes, it hasn't had time to mature, right? And that's why this pullback right here, and then it rips your face and you're like, oh no, now what do I do? Now we're below VWAP. And then luckily though, right, it stair-stepped all the way up. So, but again, that's why I said, just wait, be a little more patient. Don't worry about making that extra $40 or whatever. Just be patient. SPY double top right here. And of course, pulled back. I can even see it on my 2-minute EWO indicators. ES futures, exact same move. Obviously, ES is following SPY. You can see ES, same thing on our 2-minute EWO indicators, is on resistance. So are the Qs. If you look at our 2-minute EWO indicators for Apple, you can see it's pulled back down to support, which was resistance before. We have all of this out here. If you're a VIP member, you get our 2-minute EWO indicators that we are always updating. By the way, we're testing new stuff right now. You guys always get the latest and greatest. So VIP membership, it's where it's at, baby.
Coach, DJT may be bouncing at that midpoint between its lows and its highs.
Okay, I'm checking now. Somebody else said something, go. Oh yeah, previous day high. Yeah, previous day high was about 47-ish. Let me look. Yeah, 47.50 was previous day high. And it bounced at 47.69. Didn't I tell you guys this morning, right? Mark out pre-market high, pre-market low. Previous day high, previous day low. Didn't I say that literally today before we got going and I walked you through it?
You did, Coach.
There you go. Cost of VIP membership is $500 a month. $500 a month. We ran a couple of ridiculous sales this week. You guys could have bought a lifetime for $2,500. What kind of stupid, ridiculous stuff was that? 20 of you took advantage of that. You are the smartest people on planet Earth.
Hot stock GLYC is popping like it's hot.
Oh, nice. GLYC. On this one, though, remember I had this marked. I said, wait till that break of that 4286 and hold. 45 would be the next critical area. 47.8 is the high over there. And of course, 50 cents will be everything. It's going to be a hard battle. Look at 449. There's 100,000 selling sitting there. See that on the L2 of 4499?
Yes, sir.
Woo! I wouldn't touch it till the break of that wall.
Coach, you got a second. Hot stock BKYI. It's on halt now. It's halted.
Yeah.
I'm wondering. I have a stop loss at $1.90. Looking at the bids and the shares on level 2.
Uh-huh.
What do you think should I do?
Okay. So typically when they're a big runner like this, I like to give it a little more range. Now, obviously depends on how high, how hot you went in, what position size, what kind of risk tolerance you have. All of these I go in smaller with a larger range. So I don't even want to stop on this one till, if you guys look at it, underneath this 1774. So if to me it'd be around 176, right? But if you guys went in a little hotter, a little more ridiculous, right? Then of course, you want to be up. Now 190 is really tight. There it goes. It just broke. Yep, you just sold out, so you don't have to worry about it. But 190 on a 0.195, that's real tight, partner, because it doesn't allow it, right? A whole lot of breathing room. But that should have triggered your stop, and you're out of the trade now, right? Okay, good.
Sorry,
DJT
yes,
halted
I'm
again.
out of it at 190. I got in at 160,000 shares, so
Yep.
it was just like 300.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
all right. I'll live with it.
Yep. Nope. Great job. Because when they're really volatile, I just try to have more room, and then I go in smaller size, and that will allow it, right, to up and down and around and just keep climbing. The other thing you guys could do is a trailing stop, right? So if you guys put in a trailing stop and you look at it, just make sure, you use like your average true range, let that trailing stop, because that way, if a knife drops, it sells. But if it continues to make the normal candle movements, it'll just ride it forever, right? So
That's why I know. That's why I mostly use my trailing stop.
yeah. So usually what I'll do is I start with a stop. Once it goes beyond, like say I have a 10-cent stop. Okay. So let's say I bought this. It runs up 10 cents. I had a 10-cent stop. So instead of me moving it up, now what I do is I convert that 10-cent stop to a trailing stop of 10 cents. Because wouldn't that be exactly the same if a knife dropped 10 cents, right? Well, now I can let it run and run and run without me hand manipulating, moving the stop constantly. Make sense?
Yeah, Coach, really quick.
Yep.
Yeah, I did put the 190, like I told you, for a stop loss, but
Yep.
it filled it at $1.75.
That is correct, because it broke beyond that spot. Because remember, at 190 is a sell market order. It could
Right.
take longer to fill the order, right?
Right, and then
Yep.
so instead of 350, it was like 150. But that's all right.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought I would have it. It just went right over me. Thank you.
And it can do that. Great trade, though. Good trade.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Nice, nice. Watching. Don't forget today. Oh, and we're getting closer. We got 225 viewers on TikTok. We get up to 300 viewers today. We're going to do a big giveaway. 300 concurrent viewers on TikTok will do a huge giveaway. Huge giveaway.
Coach Mara is breaking a double top to the upside.
Thank you.
Yeah, Bitcoin is fighting 71.6.
Thank you. And if we get 50,000 likes, we'll also do a giveaway. But I'm telling you, we get 300 concurrent viewers because that's been our goal for a while. We'll do a big old fat juicy giveaway today. Woo! Give away that money, coach.
DJT halted up again.
Absolutely.
Mara broke a critical macro level to the top side, finally breaking that double top. So it's got some air to run now.
Gotcha. T King over on YouTube says, "Hey coach, does the VIP training teach you how to use trailing stops? I always struggle knowing how wide to set the stops." Well, listen, I'm going to give it to you for free. But then hopefully one day, right, whenever you're comfortable, you come on over to get more training and education. So when I set that trailing stop, T King, hopefully you're listening over on YouTube for free. You don't need to buy a membership for that question. I would like for you at some point to do it, but listen, I answer all questions, right? You're all right. We have so much training to give over here. What I usually use is what's called an average true range. So if you guys look at my chart, it says ATR. Usually I'll look at the 1 minute and the 2 minute, right? The farther, the longer time frame on the candle, the bigger the average true range, because it's 14 candles of 2 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute candles. So whatever you're looking at doing on it, usually I'll use a combo between the 1 and the 2 minute if I'm scalping. So if I looked at BKYI, the average true range is telling me, and I round it up, 15 cents. So just put an average true range indicator, and I use 14 candles. Put that on right on your chart. I always leave this up in case somebody has a question about what we should be looking at, and then I use it. Hopefully that answered your question, T. King. Thank you for joining us over there on YouTube. Just do me a favor, click that subscribe button. Appreciate you. All right, let's take a peek at what's going on here. GLYC again. I don't like that till it breaks at 45. That had that huge 100,000 wall at around 45. You can see it touched it, pulled right back. That's exactly why I said don't even look at that till it breaks that wall, right?
Yeah, no touchy, no
Yeah,
touchy.
no touchy. Now, and that was a perfect instance of us knowing off the L2 where everybody's sitting there. Now, again, I already know because I have it charted right here. And guess what? The L2 correlates to the chart, right? People know by the chart where to be sitting, where to buy, where to sell. So you use these in conjunction with each other, you're sitting real pretty. And I teach that every single day, all day long. Yes. Yeah, Ange, I love NQ as well. NQ is awesome for scalping because it's so fast. I love it.
Next
Great.
two levels for Mara is $20.47 a micro resistance and a stronger resistance at 2105.
Thank you.
Hey, Coach, check out the double top on SPY 580.
Yep, I was just going to talk about it. I don't like SPY until it breaks and holds above this 200. Same with ES futures. If you guys are trading futures, I would wait. It needs to break and hold this. So you can see it's around 580. That's a no touchy. No touchy on the long side till a break and hold up there. I've even got 580 marked as a critical level. No touchy. You understand me? Are you listening to the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yes, Coach.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, broke double top.
Yeah, nobody, don't be getting all FOMO on me now.
Coach, MSTR.
Thank you. Let's take a peek. Yep, MSTR continuing to climb. Same thing. MSTR is up here fighting 2 minute on the 200. Look at this. 200 again. No touchy. Be careful here, right? Needs a break and hold. Q's breaking through resistance now. Resistance on the Q's was around 495.50. Making a move to the upside here on the Q's, getting volume. SPY, you guys aren't touching
broke
that.
a triple top.
Nobody's touching that SPY, right? Nobody's trying, well, at least not longing it. You can short it with a tight stop, but nobody's longing SPY here, right? Am I
No,
right?
sir. Hell
This
no.
thing
Not
on?
on a double top.
Okay, just making sure.
No, we hear you.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
No touchy.
No touchy. At least not a long. I wouldn't be longing that thing till above, break and hold above 580 and hold. There was your pullback. It pulled back twice with a nice buyer's candle to the upside. That finishes a green hammer to the upside. Now I'll start looking at the possibility. 13 seconds. If that SPY closes green on this candle, watch for a pop. If it happens, somebody's buying me a Diet Coke.
Coach, I was just hanging in there on VWAP in the 2 minutes. I'm still in the long.
Thank you. It didn't finish green, but it stayed high. You got two sellers candles here. No
Shift change.
Yep, thank you. Shift change.
Still
50.
under the 200.
Yeah,
on the
it's still
2
under the
minute, though,
200.
too.
Everybody be cool. I'm telling you right now, though, if this would have finished, if this would have been a nice green hammer, she'd have had a nice pop. But it stayed up high. You got buyer's wick, volume coming in. Wait for this. You can see it at 580.05. I still wouldn't do it. Even if this breaks through, no touchy. No touchy. Wait for a break and hold. Giant full candle
Thank
or
you, Coach.
candle plus confirmation. Otherwise, no touchy. I hope you hear me.
Heard you, Coach. Love you long time.
Yeah. This this is where you'll get your face ripped off. 5 seconds to shift change. I swear this right here is where people get wrecked. Their whole souls. Uh-oh. Look at this 10 o'clock. Don't touch that candle.
Could have got paid.
Yep.
What the?
Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Nobody get in that. Don't be stupid. Come over there and slap you. That's not a break and hold.
Stop, coach. I made 60%. Thank you.
Nice job. That's not a break and hold. I'm telling you. And no, you would not have made money on that to the upside. That is, look at this thing.
That is amazing, Coach.
Yeah, that went crazy. Yeah.
Yep.
Those look like news candles.
Yeah,
right there.
no touchy. No, I cannot
Just
stress this.
listening to you, coach.
I'm
Job
literally
number just came out right off the 200.
Yes.
When it did that little spike, I just listened to you and I clicked that stop. Thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely.
Job openings were 7.44 versus 7.98.
So job openings up or down?
They're down.
Job openings down. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Market's not going to like that. So who did I save? Who was trying to go long on that and you just got your face ripped off? Listen, there are 470 people in this Zoom room with me, and I've got thousands watching live. I guarantee somebody did it anyways, even after I said it 16,000 times. Any bets? Somebody raise your hand. You're buying me a Diet Coke. Raise your hand. Daddy wants a Diet Coke. Daddy needs a new
Me,
pair of
I
shoes.
did it before you said it. I scalped it and I made money on it.
Okay.
I was doing
I
a
got
quick
in at
scalp.
78.50.
All right.
Against the grain. Sorry, how to do it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Crazy ass. All right, here we go. Let's wait for 578. Okay, we're starting to get good candles now. There's your confirmation candle. Go, go, go. We got to know. We got to go, no go. You got to go. You got a green light here with a stop back down below 580. You got to go, no go. That is a go, go, go. That deserves a Diet Coke. Woo.
Coach, I got a critical level at 580.40, and that's right where the 200 is also on there.
Yep, and I've got one at 580.53, so we're right on the same page, partner. I've got a green level, which is, oh, what do you know? That was previous day low. Everybody see it that we marked this morning. Oh, what do you know? Oh, it's crazy. It's almost like we all charted that together perfectly this morning. It's amazing. Amazing.
We did, Coach. It wasn't a dream.
That's right. Wasn't a dream. Anybody get in on that long on that break and hold of 580? The go, no go was a go? All right. That's nice.
You know I did.
That's nice.
Now you're at red to green.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Huge critical area. 580.53. That was previous day close. There goes the pop, baby. Go, go. Big resistance level. Big resistance level. Let me get the, oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at this. Huge resistance level. Look at this pop. Everybody in the room was patient. Everybody waited. Everybody waited for confirmation. Second candle, which, by the way, let me show you, was right there. That's where I said, go, go, go. Beautiful.
IWM first green EWO.
Very nice.
New high of session.
Makes me want to get a drink of my Diet Coke from my DJT mug. Cheers. Cheers to you. So nice. So nice. 580.53. That's what I have marked. Critical level. Everybody in this room knows too, right? When we're trying to go from red to green, doesn't everybody in this room know that's going to be one of the major critical levels of the day, which is previous day close?
Scalped it.
Nice job. Everybody in this room knows that. If you've been here longer than 2 minutes, if you've been a part of here. Oh, you're welcome, T King. Glad to have you here,
Yes,
buddy.
nice job, and I get crazy. How come?
Yeah. Everybody be cool. What platform is that? I'm using Webull. You can use any brokerage account you would like, though. Okay, I'm just using this. It's easy to chart. People can see it. It's basically a free system. Of course, there are fees associated when you make trades and all, et cetera, but it is a very low cost. I shouldn't say free. It's a very low cost brokerage tool with excellent charting capabilities, by the way. Let's see. So ES Futures, you guys did the exact same thing at the exact same level, running into the exact same resistance wall. Yup. Apple bottom jeans, you guys are all over the place with VWAP today. Sure, everybody's been fine over there with David's tutelage.
It's fighting that same thing whenever it wants to go red to green.
Right? Exact same key level, right? KB, that's awesome.
Yep.
KB says, Monday and Tuesday, both green again in the live Apple chat. Patience and following all the rules. VIP Gold is the IT. Thanks, Coach David and Eric. Nice job. Make sure you guys are posting over there in the P&L. Nice job. Looks like Whisk has made $10,000 on Carvana. Another $500 on NU. Great green day. Nice job. Carlos the Traveler, I see you all over the place. Thank you, by the way, for always tagging me over on X. I appreciate you. Carlo last night at 8:30 says, today I officially made more profit than I did all of last year, and there are still 2 months to go. It's all about having that base hit mentality, staying consistent, and having a burning desire to succeed. Let's go, ADT. ADT Coach. Thanks, Coach. You're very welcome. Appreciate you, Carlos. Love all the pictures. Thank you for tagging me on everything over on the X. Beautiful. Looks like Kirk T, Captain Kirk, has signed up to try us out over in the premium membership. Look forward to having you over here, Kirk. If you need help, let us know. Reach out. Just raise your hand anywhere. Say, hey, help me out. Good to have you in here. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the new members. Thank you for all this, the follows. 53 new follows this morning over there on TikTok. By the way, thank you guys on TikTok. We broke 40,000 followers. That's over 100,000 followers easily now between my two accounts. Thank you. So thank you again for all the follows. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. 268 concurrent viewers right now. We get to 300 concurrent viewers on TikTok. We're going to go ham. We're going to blow this mother up. 300 concurrent viewers. Let's go, baby. Click that share. Double tap that screen. Get people over here. We'll do a huge giveaway today. We get to 300 concurrent viewers over there on the TikTok. You don't stop.
Oh, I sold this one.
Somebody want to mute Brendan's
I sold
microphone,
here.
moderators? I'll wait for you.
No, down again. See, of 86.
Thank you. Thank you for that 10-month subscription, DJ Steve J. I appreciate you over there, your Amazon Prime subscription. Nice job. Currently on a 2-month streak with that 10-month subscription. I appreciate you. Don't forget today, everybody, 2 to 4 o'clock, we're live trading and training over there with Ange, our host, with futures. If you guys have ever been interested in futures, make sure to tune in. Show her the love and support. Make sure you guys are throwing all the gifts at her, all the likes, subscriptions, talking, chatting, telling your friends about it. That'd be great. Spy pulling
Thanks,
back.
Coach.
You're very welcome. Great job over there. Thank you, Bruno, for all the tech assist on that. And you're looking absolutely amazing. Chef's kiss over there. Beautiful job. Let's see. Spy pulling back. 580.50. Critical level. Pulling back. And that was at close of day yesterday. Everybody in this room knows that's a major level of resistance. One of the biggest of the day. It will be all day. Cannot go any higher until it can break that key critical area. So now everything is pulled back. Like I said, they did not like that jobs information. DJT pulled back. Everything pulled back. Crypto. All crypto pulled back. SMCI still staying up strong, still supporting that 21, still moving to the upside, hit the double top, pulled back, trying to make new highs here, consolidating, staying up nice and tall. SPY getting a nice spike in volume again here, now coming back up to fight that 580.50. Keep an eye on that. Lisa, this group and coach are the best. Lisa D over on TikTok says this group and coach are the best all around. People helping people. Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate you. Love your face. We're at 270 concurrent, 275, 276. We're almost to our 300 goal. Listen, when we hit that 300, hopefully we'll hit this today. If we do, do not leave the room. You must be present to win this crazy freaking gift that I'm going to do over on live TikTok with 300 concurrent viewers. I'm telling you, don't pop in and leave. Stick around, because before I leave, I'm going to drop something real nice on you. SMCI hit new high a day, 48.70.
Coach, can you take a gander at AMD?
Got it. Hi,
Thank you, sir.
Bubba Gump Shrimp. Hi, Bubba's. Let's see.
Send you high.
Yeah, AMD 162.50. I've got marked as a critical. I don't know how far back it was, but I have it on my screen for a reason from somewhere. Keep an eye on 162.50. I'd have to go back in time. Hi,
Thank you.
baby. Hi, Bubba's. We're at 291 concurrent viewers, 292. We're almost to 300, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, stick around. Hello, how do I get started? Says Shay over on TikTok. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on join the free Discord. Hi. I'm here live every day, by the way, from 9 to 11. But come on over, free Discord. Tons of training information for you. Tons. By the way, all my new people that are here, my name is Chad, aka the coach. I have been a stock market trader for 32 years. We have been live every day for 2 years and 3 months, every single day. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market company in the country. Thank you. Thanks to all of you, by the way. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. We're almost to 300 concurrent viewers, ladies and gentlemen. I've been pushing that for a long time. That's beautiful. There it is. We just hit that goal. Let's go, baby. We just hit 300 TikTok viewers all at the same time. Nobody leave. I'm telling you, I'm going to drop a huge gift today. Stick around. Let's get this thing. Let's keep it going, baby. Woo! Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, do not leave. I'm serious. Do not leave. I am going to blast somebody with something amazing today. Let's go. Says, give me some good luck, Pumpkin. Absolutely. Thank you, guys. Yeah, banger over there. Let's get that money train going. I think that's the first time in a long time we've hit 300 concurrent. Oh, it's climbing, baby. Look at the gifts pouring in. Look at all this. Woo! Let's go. Oh, yeah. TikTok is banging right now. Look at that, Ange. Yes. Yes. Let's go. You're feeling good today. Good. I'm glad. Your cousin's training with us? Awesome. Beautiful. Nice, nice. Stick around. Stick around. Before I leave today, I'm going to give out a giant gift today. Appreciate it. It's the first time we've hit in a long time over 300 concurrent viewers. Beautiful. Nice job. We're continuing to grow over there on TikTok. Thank you. Thank you. Like I
Coach
said,
had stock pick GLYC moving up.
thank
Sorry
you.
for interruption.
No, you're fine. Thank you. I see it right here. GLYC. Remember, it needed to break that 45 and hold. I'm showing support on the L2 at 44 and 42. 44 and 42. Said it had to break and hold 45. You've got clear skies now on 45.
Yep, in it. Maybe it's just gonna hold.
Yep. Moving up. There it goes.
Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh my God.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
Lucky me.
Yes.
Wow, look
Yes.
at the size of that candle.
Yes.
Woo!
Good job, Dooney.
Nice. Told you that break of 45, baby. Go.
$130.
Yes. Thank you for bringing our attention back to it, Noonie. Nice job. Look at that. Told you the break and hold of 45. It had to clear that 100,000 seller up there. Boy, we hit what? 215%. Hot stock GLYC. Nice job. Wow. That was a banger. Hold on. I want to go grab, I got to grab my puppy dog some water. Bear with me just 1 second. Moderators, take over.
GLYC's go again.
Thank you.
I think it will hold it if it jump more.
Post-market hot stock pick VFC Victor Francis Charles is up almost 30% this morning. It's not on the morning list. It was a post-market hot stock yesterday.
What stock was that again, Punkos?
VFC Victor Charlie or Victor Francis Charlie.
Oh yeah, that's right. I do recall seeing that. The after hours market. Thank you.
MNPR also was a previous hot stock. We need to watch. We need to be careful because they announced a possible offering, share offering, public offering. So it took a pretty good hit at the end of the day yesterday.
All right, I'm back. Look at GLYC. New high a day right there.
Popping like it's hot.
Yes. Look at that, baby. Let's go. GLYC, baby. Let's go. Woo! That is glorious. By the way, that is a #1 pick on our hot stock picks today was GLYC. Great job on that, Bruno. Beautiful.
Hope somebody got in on that pre-market because that pre-market run was beautiful.
Yes. Nice job. MI Link 17 getting it done over there on futures. $3,565 today over on our futures area. Nice job, My Link. Beautiful work. Love it.
Up 30% on puts on your ridiculous rubber shoes. Burn those Crocs, coach.
You know what? I got something real special. I got something real nice for you. Ready? Hold on. See if I can put them up there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I want a refund on my membership. I'm leaving.
Yeah.
What are you doing, coach?
Showing you the Crocs with socks, baby. Yes.
I just threw up in my mouth.
Yeah.
Love my Crocs. Live in them 24/7.
Yes, sir. I got
There's
multiple
some legs
Crocs.
right there.
Yes, I got Crocs all over the place.
You guys are gonna scare people away.
No, it's the way it is.
Let the old man go.
Yeah, let the old man go.
Coach, don't show your legs.
Sorry.
Don't show your legs.
Sorry, my bad. That's not my legs. I got pants on. Come on now, look. I got pants.
Coach, that's a croc.
Yeah, that's a
crock of shit.
Beep, 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 beep.
Better than Birkenstocks.
Cramps with
Yeah.
Rock stocks.
Crocs with socks.
Trading stocks.
Trading
I don't think it's
stocks.
better. I think it's
Crocs
better.
with
On
black
YouTube,
socks.
somebody's asking about the 6 months.
Dom's gonna make a video about that.
Hey,
Be
King.
careful.
Sorry, go ahead. 6 month what?
Yeah, somebody on YouTube is asking you for his name is T King. He's
Yes.
asking for 6 months how he can get that.
Yes, absolutely. Moderators, you see that over on the YouTubes? Let me shrink this. Head over to americandreamtrading.com and you will see the 6 months. Just click on prices or scroll down on the screen and you will see all the prices listed.
SoFi was able to hold above 977 and has worked its way back above VWAP.
Thank you. Here you go. I just posted it. It's on YouTube. Can you guys see it? So over here, you can just click on pricing. Right here, you'll see all the different prices. Right here is your VIP 6 month right here. Just click this plan. If there's a plan you're interested in that you don't see listed, click here for more packages right here. And this will also open up another window. Okay? Because we have way more plans than what are available here. Check it out. Look forward to seeing you over there. Don't forget today, by the way, if you do get that 6 month, if you get that 6 month of, sorry, one of my modders is acting up. If you get that 6 months of VIP, we're going to give you 6 months of VIP gold add-on for free to run at the same time with it. And then they'll just both renew at the regular rate after 6 months, which is $1,500 each. Hell of a sale, though, right there. Get you guys in the door. You can only use that sale once, by the way. You can't continue to do that every 6 months. That's a one-time deal only, just so you guys know. But that's a huge, huge opportunity to get your foot in the door. Find out what is going on. Because we have more training and education than any other company ever has here at American Dream Trading. By the way, if you need help, we have almost 20 moderators close to us standing by to assist you. We have a full help desk. Nobody here will ever friend request you or send you a direct message ever. The only way you will ever get a hold of us is by clicking on Help Desk Support and click the envelope to create a ticket. That is the only way you will ever be able to. Otherwise, in any membership area, just say, hey, I need help, and you'll see our moderators will step in to assist, but do not direct message anybody. By the way, if you direct message anybody or send them a friend request, you will be banned from using our server. Spy right here, breaking our 580.50 and hold. NQs, ES, popping, Qs popping.
DJT, hold it down.
Thank you. Spy broke our 580.50. Critical resistance level.
Yeah, we have Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon near high.
Thank you. SPY now flipped from red to green. It's right here. ES futures, same thing. Nice spike. Mark, go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, another benefit of having a VIP/VIP Gold or even a premium membership is you get live Zoom, correct? We had a group of us even talking in the live Zoom chat, and we rode IWM from a double bottom bounce all the way up and through critical levels and kind of hung on probably longer than we should have, but rode back up. I personally ended up with a 55% gain on that off the double bottom bounce on IWM.
Yeah, that's great. Yes, thank you. Yeah, there's so many benefits to that. By the way, Jonathan, congratulations. Our latest member of Futures just signed up. Congratulations, Fruta. Appreciate you. Welcome. Pause. Spy blasting off. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Hey, Coach.
Yep, go ahead.
Is it, I'm just want to confirm this, 50,000 likes on TikTok for a giveaway?
That is correct. And 300
All right,
concurrent
putting it
viewers.
out. Putting it out.
Yeah, we hit them both. We hit both. That is a daily double for us, Ange. Sha, baby, sha. Like I said, don't leave. Don't leave. Before I leave, we're going to do 2 giveaways. We're doing 2 giveaways. You must be present to win. Do not leave. Don't you do it. We hit our daily double today, ladies and gentlemen. That was 300 concurrent viewers and 50,000 likes. Let's keep it going, baby. Loving it. We're going to get to 100,000 likes today. We got a lot of people in the room. 280 people. Look at TikTok going crazy. Beautiful. Thank you. Let's see. Joe just joined us for free over here at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just signed up for a free Discord. When you guys come over here, by the way, you must verify your account. It's just a little quick verify button. If not, you will get kicked off within 12 hours because we don't have bot accounts here. These are all legitimate accounts. SPY, Qs, and ES futures, all to the upside. Anybody take advantage of all that?
Oh, yeah.
Nice,
54% on SPY.
Nice job.
Just need to learn how to stay in longer.
That's all right. Remember, we talk about that every day, right, partner? Smaller position sizes. Let it run forever. Deal?
Yes, sir.
Is ripping.
Yeah, it's moving up.
You
Nice.
are doing great to
Yeah.
the upside.
Yes, absolutely. Qs, we're looking to break that. 497 was big on the Qs. ES futures are now up. SPY is now in a 6-star trade. Looking great. Doesn't mean it's going to stay there. For you guys freaking out. My coach said it was going to be a 6-star trade for the next 17 years straight. Stop it. Come on now. Wow, we're almost to 60,000 likes, over 300 concurrent viewers over here on TikTok. And you seeing this? We lost her. She's so excited.
I'm in a trade, man. I'm in a trade.
Oh, okay. I'll leave you alone. By the way, we're getting more viewers because they're tuning in the after hours too. So it's helping all across the board.
Huge pull on the market.
I see it.
Big 7
I
pulling.
see it.
Ange is busy making money, coach.
She is. My bad. Angie, just make that money. Money.
Scalp the hell out of that SPY pull.
Yeah, nice job. Fred, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Sorry about that, going down a hill.
It's okay.
How do we get to the Futures with Angie show in the afternoon?
Well, if you go to YouTube and type in American Dream Trading, you guys will see it there. Otherwise, if you guys are watching on TikTok right now, you guys will also see it right here at 2 o'clock. It's every day from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern. You'll also find us over on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all the things. Check us out. Go to American Dream Trading and you'll see it. Type it in. Thank you.
No, thank you, Coach. Appreciate it.
You. Absolutely. Yeah, we're going to be doing 2 giveaways now. We just hit 63,000 likes. We're over 300 concurrent viewers. Yeah, baby. That's what I like to see. Yes. Yes. 2 giveaways today. You must be present to win. Don't be running off. Probably be in the next 20 minutes or so don't take off. 64,000 likes. Thank you for those roses, Mountain Blue. Scott, roses. Thank you. Skin Deep, My Honda, Caesar, Gord, Lord, Ray, Paula. Thank you guys all for the gifts and all the new followers. Over 100 followers over there now on TikTok. Thank you. If you guys have any questions, you want to know anything, let me know. Thank you for watching over there. We're also on Twitch. Listen, we're streaming on everything. We're everywhere you want to be. Thank you. Thank you. Also, we have 421 people inside of our Zoom. You guys all want to say hello to everybody? Go ahead. Zoom members, premium members.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello there.
Hello from Texas. Hi, everyone. Come join the party.
Good morning.
Calls on support and put some resistance.
It's
Morning from the
10:30
trucking world.
Eastern time.
Good morning.
ADT Rock.
Hey,
Coach
coach.
is the best.
People helping
hey.
people. Hi, everyone.
Money, money, money.
Yeah.
Coach,
Yes.
coach, love your face, man.
Love your face too, brother.
Where millionaires are made, not born.
Good morning.
Morning. Appreciate you all for being here again on this exciting. Isn't this, you know, it's funny. This is a Tuesday, right? This is
fun.
a Tuesday for us, right? Isn't this awesome?
Tuesday fun.
This is badass, man.
It's just another Tuesday, right?
I
here.
always like Tuesdays. They're always good.
I love it.
Yeah, it's so true.
Love it. Love it.
Taco Tuesday.
Thank you. Mario says, what plan do you recommend to start from scratch? Listen, it's completely up to you. I'm telling you, though, because of the sale we're running, I would do the VIP 6-month where you get VIP Gold for 6 months for free. If that's out of your price range, then don't worry about it. You could either start for free or you could sign up for that 7 days trial. I think it's $35. If you like it, just don't cancel it. It will renew automatically after 7 days for $200 a month. That'll at least get your foot in the door. Again, listen, if you guys aren't in a place where you're able to spend money or you're just not comfortable or you just don't trust us yet, just do it for free. Watch us for free. See what we're about. Listen to what we're doing. Find out why we're different than everybody else, right? Just come in, have fun. All I ask is come in with an empty cup, right? I'm not trying to hard sell you guys anything. You can watch for free the rest of your life. If that's all you want to do, so be it. Listen, we have plenty of members that watched me for over a year before they signed up for a membership, right? All I ask, if you're going to do that, just click follow, share us out occasionally, click subscribe, and leave some comments, right? You can't do more than that for free. So I appreciate you all being here. Some people are ready to dive in and get it started. Other people will wait. That's okay. However you guys want to do it, right? However you want to do it. I'm completely comfortable with everything that you guys want to do. So we just try to provide the best products and services that we can. We'll always come up with new ones. We're always tweaking existing ones. We're always looking for something we can do here, okay? So again, if you guys are interested, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you. Posting it across the boards now. Thank you. Thank you. It's now 10:30. Do me a favor. Has anybody made any money today? Open up your mics. Has anybody made any money yet?
Yes, 15% all account.
$500.
Yes.
$120.
Nice.
2.38%.
Yes.
430.
GL
I made money.
paying the bills.
Thank you.
I made money, but I have to leave for a little while, Coach, because even though I made money today, I got to go wash windows.
Oh my, I can't.
Yeah, I know. I know, Coach. Pray for me, please. Pray for me, please.
I can't.
So I'll be back later. I'm sorry.
Mark, try not to hurt anything else while you're out there, okay?
At my age, Coach, just sitting in my chair, I get hurt.
Now listen, you better not be up on a ladder at all.
No, it's all tilted in, windows one level.
Okay, all right, we're cool then. Yeah, listen, it's funny. The most dangerous place to be is on any type of step ladder. They say that most deaths occur on those little 2-step ladders that people get, right? So don't
have my knife up high like that.
Yeah,
Coach.
so don't be
You told me that
messing
last
around.
night, Coach, when I was up 17 foot up on a ladder with a chainsaw in my hair, trimming branches off the trees.
That's crazy, Coach. I was just standing on a 1950s one about 10 minutes ago,
No.
remodeling my office.
Nope, everybody be cool now. Everybody be cool. Hire the experts, right? Let them rope off on that 2-step ladder. Let them
Hey,
rope off.
I'm 57. I can do this.
No, you can't. Stop it. Stop it.
That's why I make my wife do it, Coach. I don't want to injure myself.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, that's
We women
terrible.
are beasts.
Well, that's what my wife says. You're too old to do
Oh
that.
my gosh, you guys are terrible.
Let me go get my wife, Coach, so you can
Stop.
tell her.
Nope, you're good. Get back out there. Get to work.
Chicken. You're
Everybody's
afraid of her
cool.
as much as I am.
Yeah, everybody's cool. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Everybody be cool.
And one more
Right,
stuff.
Coach said that.
Yep.
If somebody washing the windows, don't forget to have life insurance.
Yes, for sure. Yeah, we talked about all that this morning. So,
Yeah,
not
that's very good
only-
advice.
Yeah. Not
And if
only
you're
are we,
inside changing your clothes, don't forget to shut the blinds. That's
Yeah.
all. Somebody's out there washing your windows.
Christina, oh my, I don't
Or
even,
leave them open. Whatever you do,
I
whatever
don't
you
even
want.
know where to go with this. I don't even know where to go. Oh boy.
I can't help it. My mind just goes there. I don't know what happens,
boy.
Coach. You just
Hey, Coach.
Always takes a turn with Christina.
Is that Nate the Great?
Hey, Coach.
Talk to me.
Since Mark's wife likes my wife, I'm gonna get her to call and tell her Nate don't do shit at the house.
You don't do a damn thing.
No.
Hey, hang on, Nate. I'm going to get my wife. You can tell her.
That's
Hang
right.
on. I'll be back with her.
Mark with the threats. He
That's
threatens
right.
everybody with his wife all
That's
the time,
right,
and they do
Nate.
run.
Nate, listen, I'm right there with you, buddy. I just pay other people. I'm trying to help other families. I pay them all to do all the things. I ain't doing none of that.
Nope.
None.
Concentrate my effort on ADG, whatever company that is.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Hell yeah. Listen, you guys think I'm joking all the time. I'm telling you, right? Could you imagine if I get hurt, right? Could you imagine if I can't be here every day? Could you imagine, Nate, if now you couldn't be trading every day? Can you imagine, Mark, if you had to take 3 months off for an injury and you couldn't trade, or if something worse happened, right? I want you guys, and I'm being serious when I say that all the time. Think about what we do, what the potential is to what we make. Why the hell are you dinking around out there? I make $6,000 an hour. You think I'm going to go mow my own lawn and have a rock fly up, hit me in the face and blind me and I'm done? Are you serious? Are you serious right now? You think I'm now out there weed whacking? Are you serious? What happens if I fell down and broke my back? Are you serious? Come on, stop the nonsense. You need to put it into perspective, right, gang? Why would I be dinking around with that stuff? Hell no. Hell no. By the way, 75,000 likes giveaway coming up here in the next 10 minutes, maybe the next 7 minutes, about 10:45, about 7 minutes. We're going to do 2 giveaways, so do not leave. Yeah, listen, if you love yard work, great. Make sure you wear your protection, right? Your eye goggles, your ear protection, right? So you don't go deaf. Make sure you got your gloves on, all the things. I'm not saying don't go out and, do the things you love. I'm just saying, listen, put it into perspective. The things we used to do, right? Goofing around with like, oh, I'm going to pick this transmission up, throw it in the back of my truck. Why? You're going to blow your back out and now you're going to lose how much? How many millions is that going to cost you? Stop. Stop doing that stuff. Come on. Everybody be cool. Yeah, cleaning windows, you just open the inside. I mean, that's okay. We can all do. You're not going to get injured, right? But I'm saying the stuff where there's potential risk. You guys shouldn't be out there like, oh, I'm going to clean out my eaves troughs. Stop. I'm going to go hang these Christmas lights, 15-foot ladder. Stop. Stop the BS. Your family needs you more than that. You understand me? Everybody listening to the sound of this old man's voice? Okay, good. Good. It's kind of like the membership. Everybody's like, well, I can't afford it. You can't afford not to. Oh, that's a lot of money. How much is it going to cost you if you get hurt? How much is it going to cost you if you get hurt and you got to take time off of work? Or you're going to lose your job? Oh, I never thought of it that way. Yeah, that's right. Flip it. Millionaire mindset, baby. 78,000 likes. Are we going to get to 100,000 likes before the giveaway? Holy crap. You guys are crushing it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, by the way.
My wife is more dangerous.
Yeah, it's I'm telling you, it's more dangerous for you guys to be Listen, even if you guys are in the struggle phase, I've been there. Don't think I haven't. I've been in the struggle phase. But I'm telling you, knowing what I know now, half the dumb stuff that I did, I wouldn't be doing. Heck no. Heck no. How many times I've been up there? I mean, the first job I had was construction and roofing, right? That was the first job I had at 14 years old. I'm up there on a freaking 10, 12 pitch, not roping off and stuff. Like, stupid, dumb stuff. So, just dumb. Yeah, I'll get up there and cut the edge off on that. But, right? The circular saw, not roped off at all. Just get up there. Come on, man. For crying out loud. Anyways. All right, Meta. Meta just ripping still to the upside. 1%. Slowly stair-stepping up. But look at every time this pulls back. Look at blood red candle every time it pulls back, right? So you already know this is a stair, right? This is a perfect stair. So watch for these pullbacks. Okay? If you're like, oh, I don't know, do we get in? Wait for one of those big pullbacks. If you're still planning on scalping it, wait for this pullback. Get it on the bottom of this pullback, right? Looking for it. Then get it there, hammer it back up to the upside with a tight stop. But you can already see it. Watch for pattern changes. Watch for anything out of the ordinary. Always watching that stuff. All right, it's 10:41. We got 4 minutes to give away. Who's excited? Everybody light it up over there on TikTok. You guys ready to do a giveaway? We got 2 giveaways coming today. 2. It's a twofer. Sha, baby. Sha. Yeah, I see you all. Let's go. Fire it up. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see you over there on Twitch. Listen, Twitch. You guys are always so quiet. It's hard to get hype. Look at, there's been 2 people, 3 people have talked on Twitch. It's kind of hard. Right? It's hard to be like, yeah, let's go for it on Twitch. Appreciate you, though. Love your face. All right, there's 84,000 likes. Go ahead.
Can you look at Sophie real quick?
Yep.
Got in at 10:38 and dropped.
Let me look. Yeah, if it's below VWAP, I don't want nothing to do with it. You already know that, right?
I get above.
Yep. Yeah, if I was longing that, man, partner, I don't even like it until it's honestly above this 1044. See it? Yeah. If I'm longing that, I don't like it up here. Now, if you want to get in really tight with a small position, you could look at an entry around 1033 to 1044. So you only got about a 10-cent window, but I'm not touching that anywhere near VWAP, okay? And support on it right now is sitting around 1017, 1018 is support on it. See it there? Okay, good.
Got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, Coach, where's Carrie and Ted? Are they in here?
I don't know. I've heard from Ted once in about a month.
And Callie?
Callie's still dealing with health issues. Yep, recovering.
Got it. All right. Wish them well.
Yep, absolutely. Every day.
How about Lee? Where's Lee been?
Same thing. Lee had health issues.
Oh, poor guy.
Yep. Okay. I think it's time for our first giveaway. It's 10:43. 10:43, first giveaway. Trying to think of what we want to give away here. I want to give away some crazy stuff. Some ridiculous stuff. Some stupid stuff.
ADT Crocs.
Only if they got like, what do the kids got? A little
spinner.
Yeah, spinners and tassels and stuff to hang off. Yes. All right, let's do this. I say the first giveaway we're going to do is let's do 1 month free. Not big enough. Not big enough. I say let's do let's give away a monster. Let's give away 6 months of VIP. That's $1,500, by the way. So if you guys have ever been interested in, yeah, look at everybody now lighting up. Yeah, look at that. First giveaway, $1,500 worth of service, which is going to be our VIP membership. Make sure you guys click that follow button because we need to verify your account. Moderators, who do we have over there in TikTok?
I'm looking, Coach, and we've got some people that have been participating, and I've been communicating with them. So you looking for me to select one?
Yeah, I say, yep. So here's what we're going to do. So everybody right now on TikTok, do me a favor. Let me know if you've learned anything or why you're interested, or just tell us a one sentence about yourself or how this could change your life, or if you're interested, give us one sentence. We're going to give away a $1,500 6-month VIP membership. And we'll let you give it away. So let's give them about 2 minutes to everybody start typing in. Start typing it in. I need another moderator. Is there any other moderators watching TikTok? Ange, where are you at?
Eric may be in the TikTok. I've seen him pop up.
Yeah, yeah. Ange,
Yeah, I'm here too, Coach.
I got you. Let me see if Ange can do one since she's.
She was in a trade
okay.
before, remember? I don't know if she's
Yeah.
out.
I'm not
Yeah.
sure if she's still in a trade or not.
She's been trading NQ, so she probably is.
I got you.
What's up, guys? Sorry.
Yay, Ange, you're gonna do the second giveaway today.
Okay, cool. For what?
Ange. So we hit 300 concurrent viewers. That's the first giveaway we're doing right now, which is we're giving away 6 months of VIP. One of our other moderators is giving that away right now. You are going to give our second giveaway, which is going to be 6 months of futures membership. You're going to give that away in just a moment. All right, it looks like we're ready for our first giveaway. You want to go ahead and let us know who you'd like to give 6 months of VIP, a $1,500 value to, just because you guys tuned in today. You clicked the follow, you clicked the share, and now we're at over 100,000 likes now. We're breaking all the records today. Go ahead. Who's going to be the first one?
Coach, I have here, if the screen doesn't keep popping, I've got the, let's go back, Joe. I saw Joe was the first name. Oh my goodness.
Joe, are you present over on TikTok for the first
Joe,
giveaway?
Joe Mooney. Joe Mooney.
Joe Mooney. Jump on it. Jump on it. Where are you at, Joe Mooney? There it is. There it is. There it is. We see you, Joe. All right, moderators. Grab Joe right there. I can tell you what I would do, moderators. I would click that follow on them. I just click right on their face. That way you know exactly who the real one is.
Yeah, I'm getting to it right now.
Yep. And then we're going to confirm your information, Joe. I see you. Joe says, I want to be a successful father to my family and create generational wealth. I'm young and willing to. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, Joe.
Love it too, Coach.
Yes, I love it. That is 6 months of VIP membership just for rolling in the door today. So please make sure you guys are tuning in every day. Now we're going to do our second giveaway. This is 6 months of futures. Ange is going to give this away in about 2 minutes. Do me a favor again. Leave us a comment over on TikTok. If you're interested in futures, let us know. Ange is live every day from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern over on YouTube. Make sure you click that follow button right now. 104,000 likes. Going for a record over here. Going for a record. Malai, I see you. Says a little confused about the membership after looking yesterday. Can I talk to someone? Yes. We see you. So if you're interested, if you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, the very first thing you need to do is click join membership for free. It says join Discord for free. It's the very first thing. Then you must, over on our Discord, verify your account. It's one click. It says click here to verify. Okay. Then Stock Lounge, which is free to everyone. You guys over in the Stock Lounge can say, hey, I need help. That's all you need to do, right? That's all you need to do. Moderators that Malibu or something needs help. So if you would, over on TikTok, see if you can help. Love your face, Coach and Ange. Absolutely. You want to grow your portfolio. So Ange, in about 1 more minute, I'm going to have you choose somebody for a 6-month. That is a $1,500 value of being over in the futures. All because today we hit 300 concurrent viewers and 50,000 likes. We're giving away $3,000 worth of services this morning. So again, about 1 minute. Stop it, Triple H. Ange, they're loving you over there.
Oh, social media is so funny.
It's apologize if anybody ever is a knucklehead. You know how ridiculous internet is. The internet's. All right, about 30 seconds. Keep them coming. And don't forget, everybody, tune in from 2 to 4 o'clock Eastern every day for free trading and training with Ange, our host over there. Yes, yes. The hostess with the mostest, Ange, getting it done every day. All right, Ange, whenever you are ready, you just let me know. Whoever you would like to choose is going to get a 6-month free membership to futures priced at a $1,500 value.
Here, so I have pulled up T. Balcombe, and this person's response was, I want to learn to be financially free and get out of the 9-to-5 rat race.
Oh,
Speaking to my heart.
That was just going to say, doesn't that hit close to home?
Yes.
That is phenomenal. Where are you at? Say something. Where are you at? What was the name?
T. Balcombe.
Oh, there it is. T. Balcombe. You guys all see it? Moderators, follow T. Balcombe. Right there. We see you, T. Balcombe. Nice, nice. You just won a 6-month futures membership. Thank you guys all again for being here. Don't forget, if you want to join our Discord, it's absolutely free. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click sign up for free. Join the Discord. Oh, he's going to cry now. That's awesome. Everybody be cool. Everybody be cool. Love your faces. It's always about people helping people. Listen, if we do something cool again tomorrow, we'll do another giveaway. So tomorrow's goal, moderators remind me, is we're going to do 400 concurrent viewers, and we'll do another crazy cool giveaway. So we just want to have something that you guys can shoot for, something we can do. Ange, if you ever, since you're a host, if you ever want to do a giveaway, you can always give away like a month of futures, right? So if you want to do 1 or 2 or whatever of those a week, and you want to come up with your own flavor, right? Generating people to come in the door, pointing them at AmericanDreamTrading.com, getting the memberships up, feel free to do that, okay?
Awesome. Sounds good.
Yep, yep. What was the giveaway? We gave away 2 things, Orlando. You missed it. We gave away a VIP 6-month membership and a 6-month futures membership today. $1,500 value in memberships we gave away today. So appreciate everybody being here. He says, no. Oh, that's great. Is there any deals on VIP Gold right now? I don't know. Bruno, do we have any deals on VIP Gold?
We could do the 6 months VIP, get the 6 months gold.
Yep. So 6 months, if you buy 6 months of VIP at $1,500, we give you 6 months of VIP Gold add-on. Absolutely. Next time, Coach. Congrats to the winners. Thank you, man. Thank you for being so kind. I appreciate that. Absolutely. What about the futures deal? Right now, you guys can buy lifetime futures membership for $2,500. Otherwise, what is it? 6 months, $1,500, or monthly is $250. Now the futures, thank you. The futures is a little bit more, But that's because with a paid subscription of futures, you're also getting the trading view indicators. Now you don't get that with a lifetime because it's not a lifetime of trading view indicators, and we'll work something out with you if that's what you bought and that's what you need. But if you are a regular recurring member of any kind, monthly, 3 months, 6 month, annual, you guys are getting the trading view indicators for free because I just feel like I want those hand in hand, right? So that's why futures is $50 more, by the way, than the regular membership, okay? In case you guys are wondering, it's not us trying to price gouge. It's because we're also giving you one of the biggest things we have, which is typically for VIP members, which is typically $500 a month. Hope that makes sense. Yeah. A reality show with Coach and Ange. You guys are hilarious. Hilarious.
Hey, Coach, I think we need a crying calendar.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. And we have to space those apart. It's been a while since we had a Teary Tuesday, so we'll keep it that way for a little while. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Ange, and Aaron. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Also, a special shout out to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have an awesome day, man.
Absolutely. Malibu, by the way, just said I signed up for the community membership. Can I speak to someone about the different memberships and mentorships? Absolutely. Just reach your hand up. Go over there into the stock lounge if you're on the Discord and say, I need help. Joe Mooney says, where do I win at? Joe Mooney, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up for the free Discord. That'll get you onto our system. Say I am here, and then we'll verify all your information, okay? Everybody good? Did anybody make any money today? You guys posted in the Profits and Loss. Who made any money today?
8% of my futures account.
Yes, thank you. Anybody else? Let me know. Open the mics.
$45, still green.
Nice job.
$7.45.
Thank you.
Second day green, Coach.
Thank you. Nice.
$20.
Thank you. $20 make you holla. Who else?
6,700.
Thank you.
400.
Thank you.
8%.
Nice.
Green
Green
on the
day.
big count, green on the little count.
Thank you. Nice job.
16% on my futures account.
Oh, for crying out loud. Jeez.
Oh, my YMAX account's up 22%. Bam.
What in the world?
Yeah, it's doing good.